Top 5 Dune Buggy Seats. Find the perfect seats for your buggy. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my top 5 picks for Dune Buggy seats to handle those bumpy off-road adventures. These options provide a great mix of comfort, support, and old-school style. Number 1. Fiberglass Buckets. The classic affordable choice. Churco and EMPI make durable and lightweight fiberglass bucket seats starting around $250. Customize with upholstery. Number 2. Bench Seats. Bench seats look super vintage and spacious. EMPI makes new benches or find used VW originals. Just add harness mounts. Here are the top 5 Dune Buggy seats to consider for your next off-road adventure. Number 3. Suspension Seats. For premium comfort, brands like PRP and Beard make suspension seats with full dampening systems starting around $500. Number 4. Low Back Buckets. Low back fiberglass buckets from Churco are ideal for weight savings and lots of leg room. Prices start at $259 each. Number 5. Custom Upholstery. All types of seats can be customized with cool patterns, leather materials, and logos for a unique look. Those are my top 5 Dune Buggy seat picks for lots of off-road fun. Visit our website dunebuggyofficial.com for a full seat selection guide. Link in the description.